Are you thinking about installing a pool, but not sure which type would suit your home best? Whether you're dreaming of a luxurious infinity pool to soak up the view, or you want something more practical like an above-ground pool for family fun, I've got you covered. In this video, we're going to explore all the most popular pool types. I'll walk you through the unique features of each one, the materials you can use, and what you should consider to make the best choice for your space and lifestyle. And be sure to stick around because next week, I'll be showing you how these pools can look in a 3D model to help you really visualize which one would be perfect for your home. Let's get started. Let's start with the most budget-friendly and easy-to-install option, the above-ground pool. If you're not ready to commit to the time, cost, or permanence of an in-ground pool, an above-ground option could be perfect for you. These pools come in various sizes and shapes, usually round, oval, or rectangular, and can be set up pretty quickly compared to other types of pools. When it comes to materials, above-ground pools are typically made from steel, aluminum, or resin, which provide a sturdy frame that holds up well in various weather conditions. Inside, you'll find a vinyl liner that holds the water. But don't let the simplicity fool you. These pools can still be customized to look great with the addition of decking or landscaping around them. You could add wooden decking to give the area a more integrated look, or even pavers for a more upscale finish. So, why should you consider an above-ground pool? Well, if you're on a budget, or you just want to test out having a pool before making a bigger commitment, this is a great option for you. Above-ground pools are perfect for families, or those who might want the flexibility to move or replace the pool down the line. Next up, let's talk about in-ground pools. These are the pools you often think of when you picture a luxurious backyard setup. In-ground pools are permanent installations and offer endless customization options. You can choose different shapes, sizes, depths, and add features like waterfalls, tanning ledges, or even attached hot tubs. It's a pool that can be designed specifically to fit your outdoor space, no matter how big or small it is. When it comes to materials, in-ground pools generally come in 3 types. Concrete. If you want a fully customizable pool where you can choose any shape or size, concrete is the way to go. You can add intricate designs and features. But keep in mind, concrete pools do require regular maintenance like resurfacing every few years. Vinyl-lined pools. These are a more affordable alternative to concrete. They have a vinyl liner that sits inside a frame, which can be made of steel or polymer. Vinyl pools are quicker to install, but will need liner replacements every 7 to 10 years. Fiberglass. If you want something low maintenance and quick to install, fiberglass might be your best bet. Fiberglass pools come in pre-formed shapes, which limits customization a bit, but they're durable and can be installed much faster than concrete. But why go for an in-ground pool? Well, if you're looking for something permanent that adds value to your home and gives you a lot of flexibility in design, this is the pool for you. In-ground pools are perfect for homeowners who want to create a backyard retreat that fits their style. Lap pools are designed with one specific purpose in mind: swimming laps. If you're someone who loves swimming for fitness, or you're looking for a pool that fits into a narrow or tight space, this is the option for you. Lap pools are long and narrow, often rectangular, which makes them perfect for exercise but also for smaller yards. The focus here is on function, but that doesn't mean they can't be stylish too. Just like in-ground pools, lap pools can be made from concrete, vinyl, or fiberglass, because they're more minimalist in design. You can also add modern touches like sleek decking, minimalist landscaping, or even a few lounge chairs around the pool to give it a contemporary look. Fiberglass lap pools are especially popular because they're quick to install, but concrete allows for more customization in length and shape. So, if you're someone who prioritizes fitness, but still wants a pool that can enhance your outdoor space, a lap pool is a practical and elegant solution for you. If you're someone who loves clean lines, symmetry, and modern design, then you'll probably fall in love with architectural pools. These pools are usually part of the overall design of the house and often reflect its architectural style. You'll see geometric shapes, sharp angles, and attention to detail in the design. Architectural pools are not just a place to swim, they're a statement piece. Concrete is usually the material of choice for architectural pools because it allows for precise design and durability. You can finish the pool with high-end materials like polished stone, glass tiles, or even stainless steel to achieve a sleek, contemporary look. So, If you want your pool to be an extension of your home's architecture and a true design feature, an architectural pool is the way to go. But keep in mind, it's all about the details. So you'll want to make sure the design complements the overall look and feel of your home. Infinity pools, also known as vanishing edge pools, are a showstopper. These pools are designed to give the illusion that the water extends into the horizon, and they're perfect for homes with a view, whether that's an ocean, a lake, or a mountain range. The water flows over one or more edges of the pool, creating a seamless connection between the pool and the surrounding landscape. Like architectural pools, infinity pools are often made from concrete to ensure that the structure is precise and durable. You can also use materials like stone, glass tiles, or even wood to highlight the edges and create that disappearing effect. The edge itself is a big part of the design, so you'll want to choose materials that enhance the look of the vanishing water. But remember, infinity pools are all about the view. If you've got a beautiful backdrop and want to make a statement with your pool, this is the way to do it. It'll create a luxurious resort-like experience right in your backyard. Natural pools are perfect if you're someone who wants a more eco-friendly option that blends into the natural surroundings. Instead of using harsh chemicals to keep the water clean, natural pools rely on biological filtration systems that use plants and beneficial bacteria to keep the water clear. The result is a pool that feels more like a natural pond or lake. Natural pools are typically built with natural stone, gravel, and plants that help filter the water. The swimming area itself is often lined with a synthetic membrane to keep the water in, but the surrounding area is designed to look and function like a natural ecosystem. Plants like water lilies and reeds can be used to help with filtration, while adding a beautiful, organic feel to the pool. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance, eco-friendly pool that looks like part of the landscape, a natural pool is the perfect choice for you. It's a great way to enjoy a swim while feeling connected to nature. Saltwater pools are becoming more and more popular because they offer a gentler alternative to traditional chlorine pools. Instead of adding chlorine directly to the water, a saltwater pool uses a saltwater generator to produce just enough chlorine to keep the pool clean. This results in softer water that's easier on your skin, eyes, and hair. Plus, you won't have that strong chlorine smell that comes with traditional pools. Saltwater pools can be made from concrete, vinyl, or fiberglass, just like traditional in-ground pools. The big difference is the addition of the saltwater generator, which keeps the water balanced without the need for large amounts of added chemicals. If you're looking for a pool that's easier on the body and lower in chemical maintenance, a saltwater pool could be the perfect fit for you. Plunge pools are small, shallow pools that are designed for dipping and relaxing rather than swimming. They're ideal for homes with smaller outdoor spaces, or for homeowners who want a pool but don't need something large. Plunge pools can also be used as a secondary feature to a larger pool or spa, offering a space to cool off or relax after a workout. Like other pools, plunge pools are usually made from concrete or fiberglass. Since they're smaller, the cost of installation is lower, and you can easily add features like jets to make the pool more spa-like. So, if you want a pool that doesn't take up too much space but still offers the cooling relaxation you're after, a plunge pool is a great option. Pools are the best of both worlds. They combine the features of a spa and a small pool. These hybrid pools are typically smaller than a standard pool but larger than a hot tub, making them a versatile option for those who want the benefits of both. You can heat them up for a relaxing soak in the winter, or cool them down for a refreshing dip in the summer. Spools are often made from concrete or fiberglass, and you can add jets, heaters, and even LED lighting to enhance the experience. Decorative materials like tiles or stone can also be used to create a high-end look. So, if you want a year-round option that offers the relaxation of a spa and the cooling benefits of a pool, a spool is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for smaller spaces, but still gives you that luxurious feel.